Welcome to Whipin Tutorials, where we teach you how to style your wild rag. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use a twilly as a headband. Take the twilly and place the center of it across the center of your head, and then you're going to try and separate your hair about 3/4 of the way down near the base of your skull, bringing that hair over your shoulders so it's out of your way so you can have a clear grasp of the tails of the twilly. This might take a second depending on how much hair you have, and then you're going to take the tails and just tie them in a simple knot so they feel secure, like it's not going to slip off your head. Then you're going to adjust your hair and you can move the twilly around as needed, and there you have it.